Hey everyone, I'm Renee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, then please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. And today I'm going to share with you guys the recipe of Dalgona coffee, which is ridiculously easy and tastes heavenly. And I have also used two secret ingredients which people don't really use them, but I have used and it tastes amazing. So let's get started. So first, in a medium sized bowl, add 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water and whisk it until it gets creamy. So here I have used whisk, but if you have electric beater then please do use that, because I also have electric beater but it wasn't working, so I used whisk. It's kinda like, you know, arm exercise because it takes at least 10 minutes to make it with the whisk, but if you go for electric beater it may be like 5 minutes. So as you will mix continuously, you will notice that coffee is turning into light brown color or skin color.
One eternity later.
So yeah, we are done mixing with the coffee and this should be the consistency. So as you all can see that vanilla extract is our first secret ingredient. So add 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract in it and give it a good mix. Now take a glass and add 3/4 cup of milk in it, or you can also add more, and add 2 to 3 ice cubes in it. Now top the milk filled glass with Dalgona coffee. Listen, right now my kitchen is smelling so good. And seriously, this recipe is super easy to make and it's super delicious. And when I made it last time, I just relished it while drinking. So definitely give it a try. Yay! Now it's time for second secret ingredient. Yep, as you all can see, it's cardamom powder. Garnish the topped coffee with cardamom powder and give it a good mix and enjoy the drink.